I will say, sir, Ababium, and Yamra Shebedra form you knew, and the Wolfia High, ye baby didn't come out after my gun on some way chugu, near what year, your own tea, near one in I bid you come out, a Wolfia had none pay. Short code no air 1441. Nafi, what the was some about Namakama, come. Sir, Ushe means Sabin Kumso looking very, very handsome. We say handsomely beautiful. Honorable Dr. Nana Atu Asa, former Central Regional Minister, but currently Member of Parliament, Commander Edna Eguafu, Abrim constituency in the Central Region. Honorable Mokwaba.
Major Demonia.
So I can't find a one free. Before I'm calling Cramem, we call Honorable Ni Amasa Na Amwale, Member of Parliament, La Dade Kotopon. It's a very nice area. And also are looking very handsome. Now they have something in common. But if we knew and then on first time we move here, and the Mamma Kwaba say a tone suffer na man piano from Motimia Baha, and I'm Ghana who don't see. And come on, ye be D. A. You di kind a budget no parliament egusu bobo hono Institute of Economic Affairs IE for Eddie Atuja said. Share budget to know, and this advising can transform the fortunes of the country Ghana. But if he said no, there be ambition is not that ambitious. And only be the home come. I say, much saying. My main chance in free dog. Mesa mo akwa baby. Major do. Persons you me fepa. Me that's it. Come on. Say manafu go na otweto no hwene so sa. Otweto so sa na sa sama ba no. No quickly, yan hwe budget no. Mr. Parliament mu guso a mu didi ho koma. Nyina se ne be ya Ghana bitumi akon kan na niam akoi no bia etuma nya bia tafe so man ye say national cake ni be to no but a cake ayi na yi twa kakra ka na dey aboy bra ana ayi fo che say wo hwe budget ni mu pa dia etimi transform economy no
yo zika mamenda wase the akwenja oda am first time about UTV. You have a very beautiful place.
Thank you.
And Munya is Mata Inisia. Nita from Yaudebia. Michelle, we are meeting there.
Oh, okay.
But my father, my do na Minchia, the good people commanded Negua for Brim. I want na Mijana her name or parliament her. I want why I'm the mad to me. It's me a them opportunity, and I pay my Michian. Nkankara afarfo nsembe orokodo what nano mesha afarfo bode o menjemu nua ha ozanda national deputy minister of fisheries mo okodo bia yi na ya ate and we are following keenly nti obi ankana komanto ne yem na mim de mbrepa beba makan de mewie ayi mawabekan onyam wanwa. The first day I was budgeted by on the 19th of November. Highlights, you know, honorable Setepe, all kind of na yetrobi. Now was the documents by near started the you reading, yesterday, no. Now more them budget affairs are by Obon, Oyon Kon, Omoyon,
Nina,
Omoyon. There's no hope in this budget. There's no hope. The outlook for 2015 is gloomy. And I'll give you instances.
Just say more soon.
Oh, yeah.
And it's soon.
I think that you know. Your can budget. It's a cycle. In 2014, is already in 2013, 19th November. A fee or so. Ebraze na ye film. Ono sasunti. On showing crande yazeroko. The next phase, I want to offer a transformational agenda. A cut transformational or Brofokasema, Uguma, there's the need for a profound change. Hence, the year or the assessor, young culture, near maybe a year, ye, or the assessor, or the leadership, Nankasepono, Bribibi or Huma. Otrede was in a baby. Targets are set to budget num or doman crunch. Uncrofa anyway, the workforce, we should get them along. Oh no, in Obama Bacade transformation bereba. Me book your fee, Mamma show be film budget, you'll be ready to you. And a share.
One for the armor.
What's that? Na mshada na mziba because oh no
we know here na dia man.
I can't rabaka them boanti me share that much. Me is soon baby amotu mre na efin bia ma page in man. National page 11. Annual GDP growth rate from 2009 to 2014. Abra President Kofo Bifido no. Na yen annual GDP growth here 8.4. 2009 you about 4.0. Now you start the year 4. In fact, Abra started yen oil. 2011 commercial quantities ni your cost ra 15%. No kwase me name with the economy. In fact, the time came I was there. Ghana is one of the Africa giants, the African lion. Unfortunately,
the Benny can't answer Ghana, the giants of Africa.
One of the 10. Malawi, Ghana was one of the 10.
Our economy is
Naso. After 2011, now GDP growth of 15%. After mismanagement, corruption, for isano. 2012 you're about 8.8. 2013 you're about 7.6. 2014 unfortunately for us as Ghanaians mistake Sibia what do you know cook figure was our man was 6.9. Meanwhile when you go to the document page 158 it's a mistake no you or your 4.7 document none
yeah what graph no so no different from
my one answer about one document because look 3 sectors in on my hand them weighted average. The agriculture sector is giving us 5.3. The industry sector is giving us 4.6. Services sector it gives us 4.6. So your linear average in putting your question okay, you just add the 3 divided by 3, 4.8. Meanwhile, your linear services near 50%, industry near 27, and then agriculture at 22. It's weighted average, only 4.7 years. Hey, unfortunately for us, so quick figure my was average 6.9 waha. This is for and then from 4.7 next year you got 3.9. Can you imagine that? With all our resources, oil, afi paragraph 44 of our petroleum funds, afi $777 million abani or budgeted then chibeya the whole year. As at the 3rd quarter, September, yeah, 780.7 million.
And if an oil money, no.
Oil money, petroleum revenue. Wabro, your budget, numpa.
Your budget,
your budget. I'm using all this to tell you that we have the resources, but due to mismanagement, due to corruption, in some manko ye, in some parts not able to transform them budget here. Them your economy, you better transform. Workers all there one alongside with us me Jumabo Kodo Beba. You turn to page 164 of this document. Upon page 164 of this document, Abana JJ Ghana for social security. Demenawo Henda Chinsi Bosum Biara what's 5%. Abana is not boss or don't know. Baby Obuduno 14 days after. Or the Okutua Sekai or na me social security. 3 quarters aban 0. When to a person and just 3 quarters. Now I want to link this to another daily graphic, page 16. Bench warrant for a DCE bia was a narligu ne assembly. Wontua social security in the bench warrant. The one coaching. Don't you need to cause the arrest of Setepe? Atitin Krofusika for a whole 9 months into a pessoa. How do we get along the workforce of Ghana in order to achieve the transformational agenda? Na ye can one seminar. I won't talk about the tier 2. Nensam ne bi or court in I won't talk about that. Even a regime in a Ghana for your work. Workers wo in that brain in a yanyi abanias yanan sumbume was on the yashusha baby akijina. And so my eye for can you want to waka Isa Legon also Abba may read modern name no onye modern name onye and that Pope Francis can't be because the Europe there's a need for what he calls united response. I believe there's a need there. Na the parliament here will debate all kodi mayabaka biara and this back there when yen tell bia mayaka nye. I'm afraid say you actually yaba pen you kakra definitely you can't get to this agenda that they're talking about, but obey here there ahen mayaka no minority mayaka no and the majority will be saying when there we have one Ghana na yem fat them united response nanka yembu mi yanhwe kwane yeba fadroma yebutu na monako yim. Otherwise 2015 said the man here the requisa never that chief transformation agenda where today the doom so the sodom the dundum yeba na ko edwuma na ye nkrofo be ya ye na yebutu ya achieve yem budget ameyimpa sa kona no ameyimpa tumetua ne ba ne fees na sadwuma hinare gu yenyi strategy bia so a ochre budget him there mark doing day insistent be that him we don't have it in the transformation agenda be there na yansaka
nti budget in the transformation into means sanema
budget in the come and ko say anche one gin one samre bio in the budget mistakes or me this is the second time wo wie ya was budget brain hwe kawa Ghana yabo mo print budget is abre all the members of Parliament 275 na other organizations was ako. I don't consider post budget workshop was has about we will mistakes p or budget was young young farmer one no my
konom ko ni famra
and is what the buy so cool and see what to make a hin a whole year budget to put to correct figures and farm rehen. Each of them are banning serious with us.
Well, Dr. Nana Atu Arthur, Anna Yetenikano, Yanko Niso, ni? Dog say, and Cress, a budget in the transformation. There's no hope in the budget.
Nina's on me. Mechia, me personal so for that they could perform, the good people. And the bad people, all the people that they could perform, I greet you, Miss Yamo.
Why are you saying the bad people?
Yeah, Mamma, yeah, bad, the Mr. Massimo, the Anamosisa. Krobia, good people, and a crazy bad for Mosisa.
Chanope would share bad for no pa.
Because we have good people, no, and bad for no, Amunaka, na Mr. Bad for so Mosisa, number count good people for no. On your chair, good people for one can't just almost but because the bad good. Police station, you call police station, sell her opinion. That means just Musel but so far as a man actually, we are bad. The man still bad or you're bad. It is all bad about the assistant. It is a crew must sell Hormonti. All the people in that look to me, chow, Miss Sanso Edamasi say, Pempi, what time a cheap. Now, about you better Emma 2016 near my son, my major hoping team, me contest. Now, you could be just as a bed at the Kotopon.
I don't know, Kofobi Tata 7 contest, no more.
And before being a normal cassie, missing contest, missing contest. It's your candidate, no, now. Because I'm for Pemasem. And I was saying, Cordia, I know candidate.
I'm for Pewasem.
I'm for Pemasem, both NPP and NDC and CPP. Pemasem. It is only a normal casting, missing Kubu.
Now, so what it
Meti, I'm getting a mitch and me, Macquarie is a catch on saying, me, I'm a son of one and Kubu. Just an MP before Binum. I can't see you know, and yet Fantina Mikain. Missy, MP before Binum. In case of MP before time, you don't say, me come a catch on that. Binu omo pese we so na omo kasa na menua budget asem na book ro unse empempi no neme bi to be koso na o leader no what take drastic decision bi na we say oh this is your take na nye I say civil service no nye ne sa ne alade na enye minister no na transit ono odini ni policies ni nyina ma say mo nye we say enti mo type niama no na senior economists ni administrators omo put things together na salient we say no one catch minister no ahwe bibia no ka kan na we say na etie all kind budget no one cut 6.9 because onu nim say enye sa na correct no kan a mistake graphic for newspaper form say the printer's devil na akoba na akoba no sa nti no ye fanche na correct wo mbia no ese minister he should impress upon the civil servant on side education musana ye omunye na ye on sanction wo se query na se emre se emra da no omunhwe no omunye na bibia enkoso pepe but the real message ye be say di magana for and say budget be say di magana for no em se minister ne kan nyina e wo parliament na ene ayi for say the budget can't transform the economy, and it was written by or it was said by an economist and a senior economist na say utie na semina ona me cheno we should put a twist a spin to it no bia him say budget and now as for the fiscal year mum but it has repercussion over 2 3 or you say medium term expenditure framework na de no nti o budget na so ya e bia enye ni nya na be achieve no within that year no but ehun ba ko to nsisan so ba ko to the next year and the following year oh and so hwe na asem na o kan na menua Dr. Ato Ata he's trying to put a small spin onto it. Or see, within the time frame of the budget. See, economists, as some kind, he was very, very careful. What I'm mentioning, or see, budget nearby, no, it means transform economy, no, within the time frame, within 2015. Our economy transform.
But it's a 2015 budget.
And this is a 2015 budget.
Yes. What's it?
It's a 2015 budget.
Now some make count ultima. Now make count here. I think my reasoning is so high. Say, yeah, now we can't. You say that if you want to speak on Facebook, some people don't understand.
Oh, so
and your reason to also be also
no, take it from me.
No, I thought me tell you say.
When they come to my
economists,
when they come to my level,
economists can say within 2015, no. What I'm saying, no, transform our budget to. In reality, no, when you say transformation, but we are not saying the whole country is being transformed within 2015.
But there should be some level of transformation.
But it's something that is laying the foundation for greater transformation. And then we share development, infrastructure development, also Ghana Kuma saying, oh, Gifford Road. Behind the trade fair. One I mentioned, police hospital. One I mentioned, school says you call Solak, yes, Solakaba, Tanko, new conscience frozen. Former Tanko, new conscience. Overseas, Upper East, between Upper East and Upper West, Ormono, Fumbisi Valley, Solomon. Go and look at the secondary school that they are built there. We call them because we UK. So this transformation.
I also UK.
No, do high school one in the thick bush, you know. We do them. I thought I was in UK.
But Ghana.
Ghana. It was that we say you know so Professor Mills na one am channel. Enti Sunday man na e cost no enye because your budget for it and children say I say bia budget no within 2015 no but we have laid the foundation for greater transformation. Enti economists no ono onyansa pa all kasa no also within the time frame but onim pass after 2015 most of these things will come out after 2015 2016 2017 he said it even in his statement enti osa can be so say government maminkan or see the government emma ejuma enye the emba to the disappointment of some of the measures that government had taken emma ejuma say government ejuma ye say a jig for you feel very disappointed say yeah you want aban ejuma so we say no normally no those who have worked in the civil servant and the public servant before no omunimo say that here in the civil service yeah time no na satana nkofo ni papa no would you appointment letter go near my establishment warrant? You see, we share someone see to fulfill establishment. What I'm mentioning. They say vacancies new hormone. They say no, all the establishment have been fulfilled. So if we have typists be no, and we have sell the typists back where there because there is no establishment for that person's salary. So the only way they can employ another typist, no, a year typist so called retirement. Typist now a jai a juma, and I mean because I typist no I then when you friend. Then this vacancy will come, and then that department will advertise, and then bring in somebody to fulfill that establishment. Yes, you know, now so that's why we are making sure say the private sector, we share budget now. The private sector now, we are trying to enhance it. Somebody like NS Chemist, yeah, money is can why expanding. Someone like Tobinco, yeah, money is can why expanding. Say, about my exported drugs, no, and they are called other West African countries, and other countries are on being here drugs, no. Ghana is not trying to take control of drug production, drug manufacturing, the West African sub-region. It is I we say yeah, boy, NS Chemist need to be near that pharmaceutical companies. Yeah, you can see, yeah, the man not within 2015, no, you started exporting, but with time, no, a bit cutting, yeah, importation of drugs, it will enhance the export of drugs to other West African countries. In a bit more boy economy, no, and they can't budget a medium term to long term planning. Yeah, starting this year. And yes, so we see a canon. The BI budget piano. Now to utter and then crop for MPP for. Oh, but in the end, no, you must be honest. Also, cool 4 years. The time no, all corona, the budget here say, we see 8.10 for or Ghana Telecom. One ton Ghana Telecom and can show Baba say 2%. He sold Ghana Telecom. Sasikano, no, the show economy, no, and the man said GDP, no, a cost. They should come and tell me that it's not true. And I'm telling you that it is true. We Macau Parliament, Macau, baby, none of them will be able to deny it. And the budget am I. Send a debia muyano. And then, yeah, so add there, who come back abeda. Now, in the end, no, you say the needed transformation, you know. The one that's in 2015, and the one that's in 2016, and then in 2017. No, Nina Baby Todi. I'm a Ghana 4. But we say, as one NDC 4 canon, and as one MP for the man, the canon, but almost say NDC economy. No, you won't say no crano about did because no crano the ever could pay. Budget here, dear marrying. Yea, and your cassie, your shirt sinner, Nimako. Cocoa price your call from, gold price your call from, near I didn't know. You just animal saying, hard Ghana economy and buy a shocker ways, no. Yeah, ye, sign your man, if you're near your balancing. Then it's a shock, no, you didn't matter to ye. Some with me a raising your economy, no. Economist, senior economist Dr. John Kwachi, or can be many edge or see. Your economy, it being transform your economy with primary produce. Say, cocoa near the call a broochie. Gold near the call a broochie. Nyama sa near the call. One I'm if you can oil capital near the crude day echo. So we see find ways to build new refinery. We should way to increase manufacturing. Which cannot happen today. It cannot happen within 2015. We started Ebiani Tobinco ni NS Chemist near that pharmaceutical companies. If we enhance them no, as a private sector no, they will expand. Almost expand that they will employ people. They say Temahabo, we are going to transform the whole of Temahabo. Motorway no, yeah, no. 6 lane here, 6 lane there. Echo. Now what's it now? Yeah, send them in we are at the human create about 6,000 jobs. Sekiane ke usha budget is so say the total transformation oh, some enemy just say to lay the foundation, it to transform some parts of the economy, but to lay the foundation for greater transformation in the medium to long term. What I'm saying because I did this what who your budget as of check that should be what I'm saying that should be na so your budget me budget na me did na ochina o scanasa. That's how motorway 6 lane no sha share that. Oh, very soon. Next year, by next year you see it on board. 2015. 2015, 2016, you will see it on board.
What's the next
year? I said we are transforming the harbour, reconstruction of the harbour, and then do the motor. One project. We harbour now. I say, you man be feel. I say, you quine. We say no call. And by 2015, 2016, we will start. I'm telling you, we will start, and you will see it. Ghana for your money be who because you can't. In the infrastructure, you can't. Oh, they be no but say President Mama, it will nine. No, so can make up Sasa. Me project my yana. Me just only 2 years old. But then the level of development, infrastructure development, akosono. Enya de ketua kra. Enya de ketua. Ni here say, nkramfo nyina benya nsu anom. Water. Let all of us get water. Ni nyina no.
Nkramfo nyina.
Because nkramfo nyina, I'm not saying in crime. The whole of Accra. Nkramfo tem nyina benya nsu. Say nsu somebody din Ghana has say no. The whole of Accra should get water. Other places no also we have water. Once we are able to provide the water for the people, I think it has solved one of the programs.
Share any more
Oh, you sure no? And me just said 2015 the whole of Accra will get water. 2015
even before the end of 2015.
Before the end of 2015 the whole of Accra will get water. That one I can assure you. What am I saying?
Maybe send the politicians say can maybe what pipeline in Okasa and I say you're about to take off.
Maybe we are taking off. I'm giving you on my honor. Nana Twata said 2015 na Accra enyensia na Twata call me to resign from parliament. I've given you Nana Twata call me to resign from parliament. Call me that I should resign from parliament. I'm able to put my job on the line. I'm able to put my job on the line. So mika sama so me and this for ye can ye can and the mention say ni here say ya ma nkofo Ghana for ni here o enye kasa bebrebe na and we enye we o si budget nye but budget be ma Ghana for here no e de be ma won and that is the most important thing enye propaganda be ye won
you say e better na
enye kasa bebrebe be ye o be ka
o moto we ni aye wie
o say
nsuo no so de be ma crime for nyina
don't spin.
Oh no,
don't spin. I've told no, Mikadibi. So the way you are putting it, you so me see.
Someone kind of me used to say, no, we now kind to go for ntie. No. Why can I no do?
And I'm just said that's why I said don't spin.
I'm not spinning.
On the water, that's what I said. On the motorway, you are spinning. Me see.
Motorway the word to me and she want to me.
My sister, mama time frame. See, once you are starting, yeah, Juma, Temahabo, reconstruction. Then I didn't motorway 6 lane. Oh, motorway no. That's what I said. And if you are saying, "Who did 2 next year?"
You said.
Yeah, Nana, keep quiet.
You said.
Nana, how about your number chance next year and I say movie next year?
You said.
Mr. Becha next year.
I hope you are not intimidating now.
I said no. Oh, no, we'll be 20.
Those you trying to say.
That's what I say.
We'll be 20. Nana, we'll be 20.
Now, what can motorway you know? Say be number chance next year.
Listen, the transformation of reconstruction of Temahabo will start next year and then 2015 and it will affect the motorway 6 lane. Then one project. And it said
on what start that man? That's the question.
Oh, when Obusa I gave him answer. Mom will say no. I get no.
Honorable,
I don't know spinning time because of spinning.
What I mean spinning.
That's why I didn't like it. That was the truth. I did not give a timeline on the motorway. But I gave a timeline.
Time I will take you off.
Yes, I gave a timeline of when the project will take off. It is not or start or the shemu and the man priama for show. It is next time we say Niama said say not here. It is on fact side man uncle shemu view. What I'm saying. But the media will say I know it. Media landscape.
So whom kwana so any paper so.
Mpacho ode me nka ye we say don't put me
so
on
we are looking at infrastructure projects are buying from our year in the 2015 budget
and I just say so all I know say I buy be
but as to say na national there
I don't know it I don't know me family ho enko shebu say say nya minim na meka nya meka Ghana for bo say nya masana ma be kan say no say because me bia be kan me kan parliament say by 2015 no Kufo Gallon will be no more. Your budget 2015 Kufo Gallon and I say I drink a womb and yes you.
Kwame.
Ghana has no be out you.
What's about 2015? 2015 after 2 months. Less than.
Oh 20 Messi buy.
Yeah.
Okay.
2015
by the end of 2015.
What can you? I was a force over here. I'll share. Don't go near 1441. Over to me the question about now. But if we at me a year, no amount.
Come ma Dr. Kwache Kain. Nara ways wara makin na you have repeated exactly what he said there. Them transformation unless there is in what the total the transformation agenda. But makin na waka kesi pepe there it is not achievable. What was it pepe?
You want can you name Munyadi?
Dr. Kwachi,
budget can transform economy.
Quickly,
Dr. Kwachi,
didn't know Suzo Okasa.
Dr. Kwachi and Kasa. Also, we did a framework.
Not the framework.
We did a framework of 2015.
Exactly.
But that's what he's saying.
And that is what this. So
when he say agenda, what do you mean by?
It means that,
agenda.
So it means that 2015 our culture and we're going to transform our economy. No, it can be transformed.
Agenda. Agenda,
but agenda.
You come with the explanation of the agenda. Man, explain the agenda. Agenda, what you are saying, honorable.
Agenda, udi adia at one. Nima meye. Edi input to be there. Into your agenda, no. We are setting the agenda 2015, so that the results will come. Some of the results will come 2015. Not most of the results will come after 2015. That's what medium
after 2015. Say 1 year after 2015, 2 years after 2015.
Oh, say I did the Utumi who say 1 year after 2015, 2 years after 2015, 3 years after 2015.
It's more than year budget. Is it 2 or 3 years after 2015?
Medium term. You can't medium term out here.
It's relative.
Medium term. Government. I buy medium term. 3 years. One kasa.
Depending
on medium term.
Depending on send the agenda.
What are people say? So don't pretend you don't know. Unim aban aban
medium term.
I define medium term. Yenya kasu ni wona waka say unim you know I will not tell you. So tell Ghanaians what you know. You unim say medium term no because Minister of Finance you define medium term. Now you minister no. Who you minister no? Unim budget oh no medium term.
Let me help you. Let me help you.
Honorable, before you help him, Mami Musa question we. According to say Ghana has say I stand to correct it. Maybe Africa, you know. Government of the day in fact budget in my I'm on opposition cause so we indeed budget with the Koyepa. Every budget in this country is tagged.
No, Emmy. And he knows me. Very many people in Ghana we Mami Mamati. Me imagine na manka de BBR NDC onye.
Okay.
BBR MPP oye. But of course, document kitam. Na me read, na muhu moroko, na about 70, 85, 90% of nzemo women no onyaza ochre kwa na wochre na. There could be papa biru, but listen. Budget or the transform economy. And to them, Dr. Kwache Kain, a bokawa, my papa, power, mammy, a brand say the ocean name, Fifty, I could tell the ocean name, 50. Uye Polly, Uye Legon, Uye UCC, KNUST, in the others. If you say, it may want for if there's an embargo, even replacement in Umpa was there for the past 3 years. What's the Obiwa? What's the name? No budget.
Is it part of the conditionalities I'm for the Ghana now?
It is part, but they had actually they themselves call it their homegrown policy. And in homegrown policy, nibi in IMF abashanama. I have the IMF document. Ibu chances here. Wabashanama. First, IMF Mobakai, and I will good IMF warrior Quincy. First, replacement people are warrior. A phase was with the exception of education and health. Replacement party one you. Sabi, Obi would remember be you. I know be a resign. Not a vacancy about ho. Onumpono, say education and health. 1 year, them replacement will be according to the budget was Abrahani. Na, you need to transform economy. Obi we Legon.
Page. Quote the page. I see. Me replacement. Quote the page.
Oh, I can give you to go to now document what do I?
Ona ba na wo hwɛ page no mame kan dey ba kwansa me wi a wo hwɛ page no okay abusafo say sika ho ayden na MTN e boa wo e ma call bi a be bia no obetua kakra bi de omuni say wo obi a wo use MTN na wo de ye call a obetua first minute no nyaka yina e free no way ya to no din say MTN free after 1 minute bomodiana na wo use MTN dia amfa so dia obenya no na we this e bi a wutumi activate wo phone no ansan which my santi na so be dial wo use MTN now be dial *315#. *315#. Are free now if you call be bia no butua first minute no nyaka nyina wo be kasasa anjefe no MTN kasasa wo be kasa eno na me ka say ehia yi pa na MTN ko yanso betimi aboa ema ufre obi anso ufre obi na anwum bi bo we che kama pa na legendary tune from High Life legend your friend Kodwantwi na sia e ball na baso no wo send 26 eko akonoba na 27 eko akonoba obenya bombing komode eti kama tienie wo send 26 na de eko phone no 26 na de eko onabo still on your me ba so
mamuka be nche no ebia na documents was man around share page 109 to 111
on page
no on is a quote me
employment and
go to mine me anya we say quote it for me
baby I dey freeze at employment
quote it for me
but no listen with the exception of education and health replacement will not be conducted and they now use overstaffed organizations. What does it mean by
you are giving a wrong
that is document.
No, let me tell you something.
If let me last him coach me code but mention and the trick here replacement replacement ba wabro obi we film and obi a resign anamwa I feel that about him the overstaffed the time and them in woman no you overstaffed no let me land you asked me to quote and I'm quoting with education with the subject of education and health but yaka transformation agenda mezika naka abaz no ze ba kwa kodu ho edwuma oya number 1 number 2 cost of doing business is also very important hwe enda menyo ka say at the time yewo energy crisis and this is the time obi si there ni generator na the whole day all cost of their adwuma no so use diesel so use petrol ono no bono onye a bit conducive
so emra from kakra
and this is the time Ghana na what we call automatic adjustment formula ono no ma here kwan there fuel prices the whole world indicators are being na ozi mu kesepa akor oye the price of the crude at the international market and number 2 henankasa yesika ezekwa koto na hozen
city na holding against international currencies like the dollar
fine say dollar say euro fine on in yazi the automatic adjustment formula neze buy so that so bane there amanaze petrol diesel call it crude okosora yes okosoro oba foma yes aba fom. The last time I review fuel prices, and what on $109 per barrel wamanaze. That was the time near about 3.5 Ghana cedis and send that to $1. So you can multiply 3.5 by 109. Yaba for mama and a barrel what on around $78. In the ekita 3.12 Ghana cedis. Able to add that to $1. Ekita 3.12 sorry, Ghana cedis. Able to add $1. So multiply 3.12 by the $78 per barrel. As against 109 by 3.5, it is about 65%. Meaning that Jordan yetum yet so fuel not less than 30%. Na enya bibia ma waso no so and this first there mo boma so no kron. Won baby aye do not do ba form immediately was a petroleum Revenue Act Amendment, Act 855, Edaniara, was about the affairs the 17.5% years to special tax. I'm a petroleum products no boakosoro. In there, yasa bottom. Time no the to the answer the engineer waru yasa bottom. Ne you may know them dum so dum me or kodia. Na dwen there. Every day come generator. The milk generator come use petrol, use diesel. Ne cost of doing business no wide ne wasan wa pija wa kosoro. Iyi transformation agenda na ye hwe na obani dem a affect ni bibiala oriye. In fact, trucks or coffins may fi baby aba, diesel no boa kosoro, petrol no boa kosoro, affect bibiara. Na iyi in the yadi transform economy na. En kwafo na ode ya wonya jezi wonya do wonya hope. There bribi we yiminsi no mo so anapa, notwithstanding all the challenges. Moto mataro manto mataro. Moko edwuma no. Mo wie ya ma contribute me social security abanse there mo nkotu antum. Na ebiso ho de ana omani oyo mana ye ko hineyi ma na omana yetro grese
ye ko yechi
bosa ye guda yerbo from Kwame Nkrumah kesi time a president Kofo ofido na henkaw debt stock ne ondu 10 billion Ghana cedis. And damn, you can say we are just close to 70 billion Ghana. In fact, what was that my document was 69.7 billion Ghana cedis. It tells you there sevenfold. Now all your revenue source back home. Maybe so there. Yes, then what do we have to show Ghanaians there? In the years in Sika then won't change.
Honorable Babam Kakana.
In fact, yeah, now, see a back program. See, I think when we pick a topic.
But is it not true?
Oh, let me land. When we pick a topic, let's digest that topic. But if it will be a propaganda this next time, I'll come with my propaganda tools. Oh, how? And then when I'm giving the chance, I'll also do things that will project NDC.
How?
Then I'm telling you, because what he's doing, you know,
an aspect
we are talking about. We talk.
You
said something, and I'm catch you say. Kotuma went me on Kotu. If I say Kotuma went me on Kotu no, and found in number B, and I say I feel what they call it, chance propaganda with me. I will go on to what we were discussing.
We are talking about the budget, right?
Budget can transform the economy.
All the
American say
budget.
Dr. John Kwachi, see the economist, no, okay, baby. Or see, he noted that while gas production was expected to give more some impetus to overall growth in 2016 and 2017. What's on look up on our canon? He knows.
Or go beyond 2015.
And 2017, 2016 and 2017. He, no, or your economics on him. Say, there is no budget, but the present budget, you know, is for only that year. Or a futuristic budget. And oh, yeah, gas production, and gas at your gas plant, you know. It was in the budget of 2012. 20 budget. And then 2014 and na gas no air coil we say no na sa gas na air coil we say no if you say yes ya budget e ye de e be ko tema na ko power ye lighting system ni thermal plant ni na bit my mind then electricity and these are the basic we ye de that's when to me electricity untumi o manufacture per se cost uni electricity untumi ye so aban no a budget ya obe make sure say gas be ko tema na ye thermal plant ye be magana for power electricity I bet maybe bia wo Ghana so only electricity untumi nyama bebre oba ko jepion enye obi na o generator electricity constant omo pamade small business na e betumpon and this is what we are trying to give to Ghanaians enye kasa bebre na formula dey say na we say nya kan make us quote no you couldn't quote
but
what men quote no just say propaganda na by there you can't the realistic thing that Ghana is going to get from this budget, you know. Yeah, could intro. Yeah, propaganda. But yeah, can say. Yeah, can say. Idea ever Ghana for. Idea ever Ghana for Numa ever Koso. And now, near me, the party say. Silent majority of Ghanaians, no. Omuni near Koso.
Silent majority.
Silent majority. second for every omo ndi no mo hwe
omo nkasa
because nya wo ba ka hye the criminal a ono nim say wo say oni kanea ye nyina nim say oni kanea na say aban ye no because wo aban ba no 1 megawatt
that is what they say.
He didn't add one what omo nyema o wan to the year no say because budget dey enye 1 year o enye that way say omo ba no no mo hwom ho no ntemo omo project omo fa agenda na to say 2015 2016 2017 2018 omo dey na omo ye dey win election banyamin nchade Ghana for who say ni omo ye no e ya dey be say Ghana man no na Ghana for anto amount no
yeah
enka omo di electricity energy e kan ho a enka edu no ha but ene nyame na dom onyakopa ma jomama nya nyima eso de to no budget yi mu se de to no ma se nya nsuo se nya electricity betum dia ye enduma no ye de nyina ato no mo
nyina o budget
ni nyina o budget no ma be ye ko ni be create job eti nya senior economists ka no me ni ya dwi trodo o na me che because se manufacturing so only electricity factory be de ko eduma factory entumi nya eduma oni nsuo factory be de ko eduma na wenum ene ye ye yuare shemu e wo gidie se o betuma ka bibia boni bia fa budget ho papa wo mu do mo nka da wo boni bia wo no betumi aka ba di nya ye ade mammom nyam bakasi yemfa Ghana ska nyina ma ye one day ni eni na the following day yenya we say dey yenya because we are a responsible government I need say your dachi enti ye fasika nyina wo papa na so sika na wo buy no pese mu di nyina one day ade chere na mkakodi
ona waka aka 8 minutes and 8 minutes yemfa nhwe minority called for bipartisan committee on cocaine saga mamisha same free doctor
my leader honorable say chairman Sabonsu is in echi for parliament
your leader dey obedi nechi
okay no kwasemi ye na ya fuado cocaine ye in first time make there cocaine ho asem we see Ghana. However, them cocaine was about from abano ono na oye hen wanwa ono na ye jina ka de obe hia this bipartisan approach.
Doctor, and na bam
good. It's a very beautiful question. Irabe on the 10th of November. Irabe is in Pinjani. Tisa Krembo was the Kubia back was the cocaine angel. Nizin Pinjani watching or Heathrow on the 10th of November. Watching almost now watching and sana thanks to some of your sister stations. Asemi Obupwe there watch Ghana Yibia oze 12.5 kilograms of cocaine war Heathrow. A cut 12.5 but it's if I would say gasem 1 bag of cement 50 kilos. Man na or 12.5 kilos. Only them cocaine rabbits ko nidul. Asemi pay mobile in there. Irabano ofi Ghana herkono ofa VVIP. And honorable in eme am say VVIP moti ame. Me a Germany say na crossing na Chinese president Reba Ghana. Na onam de maka Chinese in president Kofo Oma oto nsafre man county konkushia papan. That was the only time in my life I mean baby of VVIP. Etukana afa baby a VIP minister MP awona efa. Irabe of VVIP. Irabe travel on Austrian passport. But beside the Austrian passport no 2 other passports on the bag. A crew diplomatic passport, na crew normal passport. E bien na Ghana passports. Asemi ba your botuga. As if your minister so Ghana when am za ban no. Minister of communication. Also Davida says. One for VVIP no query. Amane buama. And mekane asasi jima ni statement bi ozaba he's a board chairman abaka there also right in one the way some ministers of state who him bibia baba ko do to me can out work can sem gum oni mo hwe just mo baba because 1.5 VVIP. And then the answer, the Minister for Foreign Affairs on Radio Gold, on Sujawara, also 1.4. He can bet his last coin.
1.5
VVIP.
But for VIP.
But till Attorney General charge no Zaba no Zaman Crawford. What charging Crawford no? What can they infer? Attorney General charge VVIP. So shed the one hour war po. As I said, Jimmy said, not even a single time by any minister friend purpose and there no more called or called then as a chairman of the NACO board. Into no in a one man was a NDC. Waba funa you know so one was no so him who bio only does it there. There's a need for a bipartisan investigation no eno to maze asem ozande say ye hu mesota irabe wa magana ni zin okofom papa ozanche Ghana nke yakuni yim nke peja hemu
see no ana minority for ehwehwe
ye feel there say ehwehwem ni ehu baby ananda itiribeda oboboa emani
you mami read the text message me sana for me call ni so na yeah sorry so this one is coming from Isaac. Or say ask honorable Ni for me what is the meaning of propaganda. Surprised by the fact that this government took MPs to court for their licenses and lost. Kwame, I appeal to your producer to consider inviting guests outside politicians who always argue and blame each other. Yes, Kofi J. Please tell the MPP man that if it comes to politics, NDC, they know how to win elections, Papa. But they don't know how to rule the nation. I mean, last one of me,
that is right.
NDC MP, this question is for you. I say, is Mills' administration discreet from Mohammed's administration? Because you are talking as if we are starting all over again. Or from first gear, we want to park the car because we are tired. This is coming from Diallo.
No. Oh, okay. Minia Kwame. Shadi for and no more shadi na eka I'm not responding to Sanya Mano. Cocaine by partisan, whether by partisan or mono partisan or state institution or me, I don't care about it.
Why don't you?
All what I care is let's strengthen our state institutions.
Let me say, yeah, with respect to Asamoah Abbey.
Let us strengthen our state institutions. BNI for her, national security for her, police for her. Obunya by investigation. Eti whether calling for bipartisan or bipartisan, cocaine, heroin, and what is the over 50 kilos. Gas and cement, no. It be back count, and I'm what is swa member of parliament or swa on the council, Adekye America. Did they call for bipartisan? Did they call for no.
Equalization.
I'm not equalizing. Did they call for bipartisan inquiry or investigation?
Did they
do that?
But what minister
did they do that? Let me finish. Did they do that? Time no call mami we me we say.
Also for VVIP.
Mami we ni America no. I want to get a diplomatic passport.
For VVIP.
Let's not go there. Let's look at the issue and then digest it.
Then about the VVIP no. It is never true.
What is that?
Oh, why? Let me finish. When we were talking, I just kept quiet.
Okay.
Me ye din na me tie o ma kan. Nyenye no kweka me ma o kan. Because me say me nya chance na me so ma ka say nyenye no kweka. Na me kan Facebook guy say the lady did not pass through VVIP because VVIP is the preserve for president and visiting president and president.
So I told you
oh.
Bacho mani we time.
So person be kasa na me nya di na kasa na me.
Any esa program.
But man kasa na yempon.
They be the kasa chi.
Kasa na yempon.
Wo be 1 minute bi na fe yen so.
Wo de kasa me kasa be kasa.
Oh ni me kasa ni we esa say program no.
Ni be say program na be kasa na o ma me kasa.
Enti de kasa minute yen so.
He did not pass through VVIP.
Okay.
Say attorney general the VVIP a share the charge so e wa ha and I say buchia. It is wrong.
I don't know wrong.
Because the lady might have passed VIP. Not VVIP because VVIP is almost close. And I mean that
it can be opened.
It can be opened when the president is traveling.
It's the only president who can.
Yes, it can be opened when the president, another president is coming. What I mention no, anti one fact VVIP, a Spain doctrine in a month for Edika VVIP. Say be comfortable. And no na why na akosha attorney general ni 3 months so the VVIP but it is not VVIP. I will not be surprised if you
spin na go for spinning yana
and I will not be surprised if you attorney general will go and change the charge sheet.
But
I will not be surprised.
Honorable, what difference does it make? Is it the VVIP ni VVIP?
Who can VVIP? That's who the better president. Who can VVIP?
So VVIP is for nuclear president.
It's for I didn't say that.
But there's a question I'm
asking.
asking.
It is only open when the president is traveling, another president is coming.
So if it's open, the president should be held responsible.
It might be. What I'm saying. And some eba no. What you say? Nkrofobi.
And your president need to kwanya ye VVIP no.
Sana me che no. And as a president iba. President Fufro
eba. President be ba.
Okay. There is no way VVIP will be open.
The girls can have access to that place.
No. Well, it might be. Me can say ayewo. Be na VIP. Be come na business launch. Because I could for mu ya we say ya chinkofo Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Because the international port ko enact how they were able to.
And the Ministry of Foreign Affairs ya chi obi wo hono ya chi chinkofo bi hono enti ade ni say the institution of Ghana is working and no matter the secret behind this thing will be unravel. I be be no kren no. Na NDC aban ye nim ho hwee. No government official, maybe civil servant, no government official, say minister, say MPO, say party official, and I stand on my chest.
Investigation, me jam me chest, me MP, atu lie. Say, NDC ni bian count because NDC ni bian registered NDC member, you know so executive member, and count. Government official, I am minister, and the deputies, and count. Say civil servant count no civil servant. Almost seven me. Me say na me took out go check up. Yes, me. I'm going to say Ahana Ebrema primary dwumadie no asie. Moti Honorable Dr. Nana Ato Arthur, were a member of parliament, commander Edina Ekwafo Ebrim constituency, our central region. And honorable ni amasale na mwesasa amasa na mwale so am ko di chiremu aso chiremu la dade kotopon member of parliament ono so ebe chiremu wo se wo de ne MP no ato line say ekowie say aban bi nipa bi eho obom dia na say akoya sem kase pa busuafo me production team no ase me din e de kwame agetia na nso nyame adom ye de abegu nyame boa e kina nso ye be toaso koso ahwe UTV. Have a great day.